This is 2010 Honda Odyssey. The issue with this car, it's the blower fan constantly on. So every time I turn the ignition on, you can hear and you can see this is already off. And I turn it off, it doesn't turn off. The fan here, it works. It goes all the way to high, goes all the way down. The climate control 100% functioning with no problem. I did hook up a scanner. It gave me code 1241, which is blower motor control circuit or wiring issue somewhere in between the blower motor and the climate control area. Anyway, I went through a few checks. I'm gonna tell you what's the problem with this car. And again, I just want to make sure you understand. So you see the car is the ignition is in the on position here, and I'm gonna start the car. You see it's still running, and this is on. I'm gonna turn this off. See, it's off, but it's still, the blower motor is still blowing air all the time. The only way you turn it off when the ignition has to be in the off position. So I'm gonna show you where is the relay located for the blower motor. The blower motor located under the glove compartment there. I'm gonna go to this area, show you what the part needs to be replaced to fix this problem. So this is the blower motor relay, and that's the fuse. Okay, this is the passenger side engine compartment. That's the blower motor relay, and this is the fuse. Alright, so I'm gonna go change the part and tell you what is the problem there. Alright, so you have to remove this cover here. I already changed the part. It's right there. It's right there. This one right here. It has this plug on it. This is the piece. And this is the blower motor fan right here. And again, this is the part I replaced, and here is the old one. Okay, let's go and check it now. This is the old piece. That's the resistor. Honda call it transistor. Whatever it is, it's a resistor. It's control the speed, the fan speed. So let me go to start the car and see what happened now. Okay. Alright, so I'm back here in the driver's seat, and let's turn the ignition on. We hear nothing. Start the car. We hear nothing. So this is now off. So let's turn this. You hear it? So now all the speed working on the fan. So when I turn this off, it's off. Again, activate the fan. Alright, so this is working. Off. Make sure, I already checked the circuit. I checked the climate control. I made sure all the wiring is in good order. I checked the relay. I checked the fuse. So the conclusion came out to this bad boy right there. That's a problem, that piece right there. Alright, so this is fixed issue. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the ignition only on. Here the car is off. The ignition is on. You hear the fan. Off is off. you hear nothing. Thank you for watching.